morning! Kamusta? Mayong buntag kaninyong tanan. Once again, I'm a native Filipina. I'm from Mindanao, the
southeast part. Southern part.
Everyone, hi! How's everybody's doing? Ha? Kamusta? Anyways, kamusta po? Magandang umaga. Good evening. Unsa pa ba? Maayong buntag kaninyong tanan, maayong gabi, maayong udto kaninyong tanan because here in America it's nighttime. Para sa Pilipinas, it's morning time. Okay? So today, I will be teaching you, the basic ways of how to put eyebrows. Okay? A perfect Z of eyebrows. Okay? Here, okay? So, mag-Tagalog lang ko. No. So, actually, mag-English lang ko because we have a lot of friends na nagastorya og English. Okay, so the reason why I'm talking in English because we have a lot of subscribers that doesn't understand Bisaya and Tagalog. Okay, so a little bit ins by ins. Okay, I will be talking about using the language English. Okay, so the things that we will be learning today is using the eyeshadow. Okay, so eyeshadow, we're not using it for our eyeshadows. Okay, this powder is intended for eyeshadows, but we will not gonna use this for eyeshadow, but instead gamiton nato siya, or we will be using it sa ating kilay o sa ating or to our eyebrows. Okay, so I will be using this one.
Okay, this is Tarte. I will be using this one. This is a little bit darker. Brown, but I will be using this one for my eyeshadow. Okay? So, para tipid-tipid lang tayo mga bez. Okay, so first is, this is our brush right here. Okay, so you have to make it wet first before using it as your brush. Okay, brush. Okay, so I've been waiting and I've been certain this one. I'm trying to set this one, but then again, I didn't see it, so it took me a lot of time to see this. Okay, so we will be using this oil. Okay, this is a MAC oil. We will be using it, okay, to make our brush wet. Okay, sorry mga bells. Okay, so I make it wet now.
Okay, so the reason why I have to make it wet is because to make it pellet, or to make it more observable for the
eyeshadows. Okay, next is we will be using this one. Okay, so again, we're using the eyeshadows, the wet brush, and we will be putting it to our eyebrows. Okay,
is it better, prete? Charot lang mga bells. Okay. Oh, it's so hard. Grabe. Okay, make it sure that you stroke it perfectly. Okay? There you go. And of course, clean it. You have to clean it that way. Okay, so it's perfectly good now. Okay, so just quick tip for everybody. Okay, so when you're using the perfect match for the eyebrows, you have to match it with your hat. Okay, so is that perfectly beautiful? Is it perfectly beautiful, mga mouse? Okay, that's it. So just a quick tip. Okay, always remember your eyebrows should connect to your hair color. Okay, and of course put some eyeshadows. And don't forget for the lips. Of course, you just have to make it very simple but elegant. Once again, thank you so much for joining me. This is once again your beauty advisor. Okay, this is once again your beauty advisor, Kitty Cat Carino Lirio, and of course, please do subscribe with my Facebook account, YouTube account, and I'm trying my best to make a lot of videos. Have a great day, everyone. Daghang salamat, maayong buntag, maayong gabi, maayong udto kaninyong tanan. Paalam! Ingat! Sangga!